Manifest anything you want with the help of water. Hi everyone, this is Risha. I'm a law of attraction and manifestation coach. In this channel, I'll be sharing easy techniques and practices to manifest the life of your dreams. We all know how beneficial water is. I think every single day we have a couple of glasses of water. Some of the practitioners even recommend up to 3 liters of water because it is really good for our health. It is good for our digestive system, good for our skin, good for our hair. It's good for our brain, for our spinal cord. It's good in every single way. So we all know anyway, and we are all very convinced with the fact that water is good for us. Today we are going to use the same water to manifest what we want. A step ahead, but at the same time, very simple technique. All you need for this is a glass of fresh water, paper and pen. So on a paper, you can write down your intention. There are 2 ways of doing it. Either you will write all your intentions, what you want to manifest in the nearest future, or you just write one intention, what you want to work on at this point of time. Either ways, it's absolutely fine. So once you have written that in the paper, then keep the paper wherein you have written your intentions below the glass of water. I have already written my intention in this paper. So I'm actually working on a long-term intention. So what I have done is, in this paper, I have written all the goals for this whole year. So I have a habit of reading this. So I have written it in the form of affirmation. So I read this every single day in the morning and evening. And this paper is always there below my bedside pillow. So it's easy for me that when I wake up in the morning, I read it once. When I go to sleep, I read it again. So I use the same thing for the water technique as well on a daily basis. I do this every morning because it's easy for me, since the moment I wake up, I have a glass of water, and I prefer to do this technique. That's the time because you have just woken up, your mind is fresh, and I find it really easy and more positive to do it with the morning times. So what I do is, I just read this again in the morning. The moment I wake up, I go through my affirmations. So these are the goals I want to achieve throughout 2021. So once I have done that, then I keep this sheet beneath the glass of water. I just visualize for a minute or two about what I want to manifest. Whatever I have written here, I try to visualize it for a minute or two. Once I've done with that, rub your palms against each other. Why? Because you're trying to infuse the energy into the water from your body. While you have done the visualization and affirmation, you are already aligned with your thought and your vibrations are very high. So you want to take it all in the form of water, because water is extremely powerful. Once you rub your palms together, then bring it together. Either you can touch the glass of water, which I prefer to do, but some of them just hold it a little apart. Either ways, it's absolutely fine. The intention is all to do with transferring that energy from your body into the water and infusing it back completely. You will drink the whole glass of water and then go on with the day. It's that simple. But like any other practice, all you need in these cases is that faith and the belief in what you do. You need to do this consistently. You could do it like for 28 days, or you can do it every day. I do it every day because this is nothing out of the way. I have to make time or something, because this is a part of my daily practice. I find it really good to do it every single morning. You could also do it just before going to bed in the night. That's another right time as well, because you will be going to bed with your intentions. Again, your subconscious mind is going to get connected there, and it will help to manifest whatever you want soonest, because you will be in deep sleep then. That's another way to do. So either you can choose to do it in the morning hours or before going to bed. Either ways, this is one of the powerful techniques and very easy. You will see that very soon your manifestations are coming true. Try this technique and let me know in the comments on what all you could manifest using the water techniques and how long you have been doing this technique. Let me know about it. If you have liked this video, press like and also subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so you'd get the notifications on my future videos as well. Thank you for watching. Take care.